Who doesn't love thick, voluminous, healthy hair, right? I have genetically very thin hair and that's how I take care of my hair. Made them look like this to this. If you are interested in learning more, keep on watching. Hello everyone, so this is my hair before wash. मैंने 3 दिन से wash नहीं करा and this is my hair. So first thing we gonna do is comb and detangle our hair. अच्छे से बालों को डिटेंगल करना है. मेक श्योर कि आप नीचे से बालों को डिटेंगल करना शुरू करें और देन ऊपर से करें ताकि उनमें ब्रेकेज कम से कम हो एंड हम इसको जल्दी जल्दी से कर लेंगे. Using 5 ingredients, I make my DIY oil. The first is rosemary oil. It is so good, believe me. Then we have Jiva medicated til oil and then castor oil, and last is vitamin E capsules. Then we gonna mix these ingredients and gonna warm it up in an oven. So here is our oil. Then I'm gonna start application by this applicator. इससे अच्छे से बालों में oil हो जाता है. Then part and oil thoroughly. बिल्कुल अच्छे से ऑयल करेंगे, ओवर ऑयलिंग नहीं करनी है. सी हाउ ड्राई माई एंड्स आर लुकिंग. हम इनको अच्छे से ऑयल करेंगे और अच्छे से मसाज करेंगे. यू हैव टू बी जेंटल विद द एंड्स बिकॉज ब्रेकेज बहुत होता है. देन आई एम गोइंग टू गिव माई सेल्फ अ गुड चम्पी मसाज. मसाज इंक्रीजेज द ब्लड फ्लो इन द हेयर, ऑल्सो ओपन हेयर follicles to produce thicker hair. Also I love how relaxing it is. Combing after oiling is a big no-no. I've been using this hair combo particularly ever since I have colored my hair. This is La Vivo Plus Kera Repair Shampoo, Mask and Serum. It is specifically designed for damage repair after you color your hair. All of these are sulfate and paraben free. After wash, I use a cotton cloth to tie my hair. I let my hair air dry for a few minutes until I do my skincare and makeup. So it's half dried almost, and now I will use this serum, 1 or 2 pumps, and warm it up in your hands and then apply it gently. Make sure to put the serums on the lengths of your hair. It has a very mild fragrance. You will get frizz free and shiny hair instantly. See how shiny they look. The best thing I did to make my hair healthy and grow faster is I took hair supplements. I have used these Purna gummies. It's been a month since I'm using and it's almost empty. These delicious gummies are enriched with vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin D3. Also has biotin known as vitamin B12 that stimulates keratin synthesis in our hair to make our hair strong and long. You will get 30 gummies and you have to eat one daily. These are gluten-free, organic and plant-based. Also, these cute gummies are super delicious. I love eating them. This is in the flavor cranberry and I personally love cranberry flavor. You can buy them from Nykaa in different flavors. It has improved my skin texture and also my skin is looking so flawless. I've seen a good amount of change in my nails also. They have become healthier and whiter after using these gummies. You can try these gummies for 1 month and after that you can see some amount of change in your hair, skin and nails. I love curling my hair but I avoid heat and for that I use this black scarf. You can use any scarf you have. It has to be little long. Put the scarf like this and clip it from the one side. Then you have to take a very thin strand. Make sure the strand is very thin तो curls बहुत अच्छे आते हैं. Then wrap around the strand like this and then take another strand and merge it into the first strand and then wrap it around. And repeat this process again and again जब तक सारे बाल अच्छे से wrap around नहीं हो जाते scarf के. I will show you everything in the time lapse so you can get the idea how to do it very neatly and nicely. Make sure the curls are tight but not too tight. It can lead to headache. And when you finish the wrapping, take a good rubber band and tie your hair very nicely. And wrap the leftover scarf into a bun. It's very easy to make. It looks difficult but trust me it's very easy when you get habitual. And let me do the second bun. Ta-da! My nice cute buns for the night. So I mostly sleep or leave these buns for 2-3 hours and then we will get perfect curls. So this is a few hours later and let's open these buns. Then gently remove each strand. Yes, like this. Look like this after you open your hair. Currently I open my curls and give them a bounce. And this is after I open my each curl. And you can leave it as it is, but I use a hairspray. This is a regular hairspray. I just spray on the length only. Too much. So that's how I style my hair without any heat, without any hair tool. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, be beautiful.